Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning about standard deviations, discrete frequencies, distribution. This is the question which we are provided with. Now we need to find out the standard deviation and the coefficient of variation. For discrete frequency distribution, formula is root summation fx square divided by n minus x bar square. So looking at this formula, we can come to know that we have to find out fx, then we need to find out fx square. So let's find out. So first fx. So how to find out fx? You need to multiply both of these values. So 4 ones are 4, 8 fours are 32, and then it's 80, and then 60, 196, 96, 36. So now we found out what is our fx. Now we have to find out fx square. So let's find out fx. Here you need to find out the fx square. So your fx square is nothing but fx into x. So your fx value into the x value. So that is 4 fours are 16. 32 into 8, it's 256. So now we found out our fx square value also. Now what we have to see in the formula is summation fx square. So you have to add all this value. So after adding, I get 6720. So now I have to apply this over here. Now I need to find out n. So n is discrete frequency. So n is nothing but summation f. So you have to add on your f value. So after adding your f value, you get 40. So n is equal to 40. Now I need to find out the mean. So the mean for discrete frequency is sigma fx by n. So summation fx. So you have to total this fx value. So when you total this fx value, you get 504. Now you divide it. So 504 divided by 40. You get 12.6. Now if you look into the formula, you have x bar square. So you have to square this value. So after squaring, you get 158.76. So now whatever the data I required, I got it. Now we have to put in the formula and substitute it. Is equal to root. So fx square is 6720 divided by n. N is nothing but 40. Minus x bar square, that is 158.76. Now you need to divide and minus. So after dividing, I get 168. Now minus with this value, that is 158.76. So after minusing, I get 9.24. So now I need to find out root for 9.24. So that is 3.03. So now I got my standard deviation. So let's find out the coefficient of variation. So formula is standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. So standard deviation is nothing but 3.03 divided by x bar. So x bar, the value is 12.6. So 12.6 into 100. So you multiply this, you get 24.04. So this is how you find out for discrete frequency distribution in standard deviation method. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.